Awareness of senses with breathing. Improving the function or capacity of senses by keenly observing the sound of breathing. There are numerous benefits of observing the sound of the breath. During inhalation, breath sounds as so. During exhalation, breath sounds as hum. Yes, you are right. That is so hum. Breath generates a sound that is so hum. We human beings got habituated with shallow breathing. If we can spend a little time focusing or just observing the breathing, minimum 5 minutes daily, you can see a great changes. Here is a great method to focus and improve the awareness of senses along with deep breathing while listening the sound of the breathing. It's very simple, just closing ears and eyes as you see in this video. Do this daily for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of practice, sit stilled, silently and quietly for 2 minutes. And at the end, just rub the palms, cup the palms on eyes, feel that warmness on the eyes, and slowly open the eyes looking at the palms. That's it. The benefits of breathing by closing the senses, ears and eyes. Ear. While deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation helps to reduce muscle tension and promote relaxation, which may help alleviate ear pressure and discomfort. Eyes. Resting with your eyes closed can calm your mind and help your muscles to relax. Your blood pressure drops and your heart rate slows. Resting can also reduce stress. Our subconscious directs most of our behavior. When we just close our eyes, this calms our nervous system so that we can go into a healthy resting place. Entering that meditative zone can bring our body back to a place of balance. Improved mind-body connection. So, breathing that can help promote blood circulation in the body. As I said, there are numerous benefits. Let me say a few of them. There are asthma, anxiety, hypertension, stress, sleeping disorder, sinus, migraine, headache, and many more. Better concentration, mental clarity, low stress levels, increased happiness, improved cognitive function. By practicing this process, perception, creativity, problem-solving skills, and decision-making skills, as you increase your attentiveness, your cognitive skills develop. In this method, mainly we can see the thoughts swimming in the mind dissipate, and the mind shifts towards mental clarity and stillness. Experiencing oneness with the divine or the universe helps explore the question, what is the purpose of life? Helps easily regulate breathing, helps strengthen the mind-body connection and develop a positive mindset. Please do practice.